So we'll try this guy out.
Lay in the garden picking petals, disregard them, watch me settle.
Yo, what's up? I got a busy week coming up, shooting a bunch of videos with some really sick producers, but I just got sent a bunch of pedals from Westminster Effects. They didn't ask me to make a video, but they did say they wanted to send me pedals, and I'm like, of course I want more pedals. Also, I told them I didn't have a compressor pedal, so they sent me this one. But I'm gonna freaking see what gets inspired out of these pedals today and just try to create something sick and see if it turns into a song. And even if I don't get a song, I'm gonna test these pedals out and see what sort of tones I can push out of it going into my plugin, the Zen Box. So let's freaking get it. I think the first one I want to try is this guy right here. It just seems sick because it's like a skeleton on fire. I know it's going to sound really good. So let's see what happens. Off. Rips. Dude, it's kind of like a Nails, like hardcore sort of thing. Okay, cool. That's what I think I'm gonna do. All right, let's get some drums going. Let's use that Turnstile kit. I've really been messing with it recently. This kit by Mixwave is really sick. All right, let's just get this kit smacking a little bit more. We'll throw on AR1, Eric Valentine Special. Release as fast as possible, attack as slow as possible, threshold all the way up, and now we're gonna blend it into taste. And let's just throw that vinyl plug in another Eric Valentine Special right before it to brighten up the kit. That feels good. It's a little bit like Raw Dog sounding, but I kind of like that for something a little bit more grungy. So we'll try this guy out, see how that sounds, maybe for something a little more chimey, but honestly, I have no idea what it sounds like. Definitely a ripper. I already got a gritty tone on, so let me switch over to this compressor. I'm gonna try this out and then maybe throw the delay on after and see what happens. I feel like if there's gonna be a lead, it has to have like really strong personality, whether that means delay or distortion or chorus, super chorus. I think that'll turn out pretty cool. That lead is way more inspiring than that riff, so I think I'm gonna just pedal back a little bit and see what different progressions I can get instead of that simple one with the super fuzzed out tone. Might be cool with just that chorus and delay. I wanna check it out though. When I'm writing these days, I kind of really am trying to find the special thing in the song, and I know when I'm not hitting it or not, and right now I think I'm really close to hitting it. It's just something about these chords are a lot more sauced up than just like the simple rock and riff, which is cool, and I'm sure we'll have a moment in the song, but to start a song with that vibe feels very just like, today I'm starting a band and this is what the band sounds like. This feels more like I'm being given a song from a power much greater than me on this flat earth, probably from a vampire in LA who's drinking the gold juice. If you know what I'm talking about, you're a real one. Let me try this other distortion pedal. Fuzz might not be the move for this one.
I'm watching everybody drink. Somehow I feel lonely, even when my friends would sing. Somehow I feel lonely, even when my friends would sing. I stopped showing up, it all. There's
some deep-rooted childhood drama there that I can't figure out or unpack in this song.
And shut myself inside. And shut myself inside. Last time showing up, I started hanging up. And shut myself inside.
Okay, I love the core of this idea. I love the chords of this idea. The lyrics are not connecting to me right now. I need to revisit this and maybe just sit down with an acoustic and think about what I'm gonna say in this song. But I definitely love this idea, and I love how the instrumental is matching what the song is about to me. It feels very lonely. It feels very like frustrated and shut off. I just need to like really dive deep. And what I mean by that is, I need to go get a massage at the mall from my favorite Asian man and revisit these lyrics. All right, I'm back. I think I want to keep attacking this song. It's the next day, and I feel like I am so close to figuring this song out. But either way, check out this thing I just got. The Yamaha Reface, and it runs on battery, so I could bring it home and write at home whenever I have some inspiration, but it sounds pretty good. I gotta patch it in. I think I want to run it into the Chroma Console and then into the inputs just to get some vibe going. You know what I mean? All right, I'm deleting all those vocals I did. I think I can beat it. All right, let's go through my lyrics that I was writing. I just had so much that I was writing about of just like going out and dating again, and it just feels like love has left planet Earth. It feels like everybody is like on guard, and I don't know, it's a different world now. I just feel like people just don't care about things as much anymore. Like nobody's passionate anymore about anything. At least like recently, some of the sessions that I've had in and like some of the songs that I've had to write for people, they just don't care. Or like going on dates, and it's like people are like forcing feelings just so that they're not alone, you know? And I hate that. I hate that. I want it to be real, and I want to feel what I'm gonna feel. Laying in a garden picking petals, disregard them. I start to settle. I used to be soft and gentle. I used to be somebody special. Like I used to be somebody special to somebody. Where's hyperpop? I need some inspiration. The only thing I don't like about hyperpop is like, why is every beat like wet? Why are they all wet sounding?
Yup. Lay in the garden picking petals. Disregard them, watch me settle. Disregard them, watch me settle.
I needed to do some Coke real quick. Coca-Cola, buddy.
I used to be so soft and gentle. I used to be somebody special. I used to be so soft and gentle. I used to be somebody special.
The Chroma Console plus this little Yamaha CP is the perfect CP cockpit. The Yamaha cockpit with the Chroma Console sounds really, really cool.
Lay in the garden picking petals. Disregard them, watch me settle.
I got another crazy lyric that I wrote on a drive. Last night, I felt so used and ugly. You would have slept with anybody. You let me in with synthetic love. I pulled out and felt disgust. Ugh. Ugh, those lyrics are like so heavy in so many gross, crazy ways.
Last night I felt so used and ugly. You would have slept with anybody. Oh, you would have slept with anybody else. You let me in and showed me synthetic love. I pulled out and felt disgust.
They always miss, like something about like shooting arrows. Damn, I'm close, shooting arrows. Something about they always miss will be like the third line. They always, let's just say it, love still exists. I mean, it's a big statement.
Love still exists. I'm shooting arrows, but they miss.
Make me sound like an ugly girl.
Love still exists. Love still exists.
Cool. Micro shift, make it feel body.
I'm shooting arrows, but they miss.
I'm just gonna say I'm holding out because love exists. I mean, that says it all, right?
I'm holding out 'cause love exists.
That's the hook, saying the word love exists. So I'm gonna have to figure out something in production. It goes like, love exists. Like some sort of vocal or something. I let you go and start to drift.
I let you go and start to drift.
You've gotta know that love exists.
I've gotta know that love exists. Last
I'm just gonna let it run from the top. Appreciate you guys chilling me while I attack this song. Really love this Yamaha CP keyboard. And also these pedals from Westminster Effects, really sick. Check them out. I especially love the compressor pedal. I think that one is super special. And I think you always need a compressor pedal in your chain. So if you're gonna pick one up, get that one, because they rock.
Then watch me settle. I used to be so soft and gentle. I used to be somebody special. Love still exists. I'm shooting arrows but they miss. I'm holding out cause love exists. I let go and start to drift. That love exists. Last night I felt so used and ugly. Oh yeah, you would have slept with anybody.